The Thunderobot Radiant 16i9-4060 gaming laptop is designed to elevate your gaming experience with its powerful features. Make sure to click the link in the description below for the latest price today. This laptop is built for those who demand speed, precision, and top-tier performance, offering exceptional power that keeps you ahead of the competition. At the heart of this gaming beast is the Intel Core i9-13900HX processor, boasting 24 cores and 32 threads, with base frequencies of 1.60 GHz and turbo speeds up to 5.40 GHz. This provides incredible multitasking power, making it perfect for both gaming and heavy-duty tasks. Coupled with the GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, you'll enjoy stunning visuals and smooth gameplay with high frame rates, ensuring every move is rendered with extreme precision. The Thunderobot Radiant 16 features a 16-inch WQXGA display, delivering ultra-crisp visuals with a 2560 by 1600 resolution. The display's 240 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid motion, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming, creative work, and media consumption. With pro-grade color accuracy, this laptop brings your content to life with vibrant colors and rich details, making it perfect for both gaming and creative professionals. When it comes to performance, this laptop doesn't disappoint. It packs a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB PCIe M.2 SSD, ensuring lightning-fast storage and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on large projects, the storage and memory capabilities will keep up with your every need. In terms of connectivity, the Thunderobot Radiant 16 comes fully equipped with a variety of ports, including 3 super-speed USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port, HDMI, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and an audio port. This ensures you have the flexibility to connect all your devices and peripherals without any limitations. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster internet speeds and a more stable connection, keeping you connected even in high-traffic environments. The sleek, futuristic design of this laptop isn't just for show, it also delivers excellent cooling and superior audio, ensuring you remain immersed in your games or work without distractions. The RGB Backlit Keyboard adds a touch of personality and flair, while the numeric keypad offers additional functionality for productivity. Overall, the Thunderobot Radiant 16i9-4060 gaming laptop is the perfect choice for gamers, content creators, and power users alike. With its high-end specs, stunning display, and sleek design, it delivers a truly premium experience. Make sure to click the link in the description below for the latest price today.